Okay, so let's see some different formulations, half angle formulation. Okay, basically these formulations, half angle formulations, are nothing but sine of a by 2 cos of a by 2. Don't think that we are talking about sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a by 2 sine a cos a, or sine a is equal to 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. I'll say right here, it's like sine a can be written as 2 sine of a by 2 and cos of a by 2. Basically this can be also called as half angle, but actually half angle formula means here we are going to derive the formulation, the trigonometric function with the half angles in terms of the sides of the triangles. Okay, but here we have one more term that is called as perimeter. Okay, perimeter of your triangle. So all these things we are dealing for the triangle which is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all sides are different. So for that triangle, if I'll draw one triangle first, A B C, A B C. So the semi perimeter of the triangle is always given by A plus B plus C, okay, by 2. So some of the guys, hope you remember that we have one of the formula, the important formula for the triangle, scalene triangle, to find the area, that is nothing but S delta is equal to under root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is nothing but Heron's formula, very important formula to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so we are going to use these formulation, the perimeter and the area and the sine rule and cosine rule, to derive these formulas. I'll just derive one formula. Every formula will be similar. Like this is sine, okay, and these we have cos formulation, and similar to we have tan. See, if we have a sine or cos or anyone, like if you have a cos or a sine, we can derive definitely the complementary angle. It means if you have a cos, I can easily derive the formula using the identity. The sine formula can be derived easily, and similarly if I have sine and cos both, tan can be derived easily. Okay, so let's see this cos. If I'll talk about the cos, see, why I'm taking cos, I can take sine, tan, anything. Okay, why I'm taking cos, just now we have done the cosine rule. I think we can see the cosine rule. Okay, what is cosine rule? Nothing but, if cosine rule we'll see, so cos of A is nothing but B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 BC. Okay, so to make this as half angle, first of all, your cos A by 2 you have to bring. So to bring cos of A by 2, it means, can we say that cos square A by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos of A whole by 2. Yes, we have this formula. Cos of 2A is cos square A is cos square A is nothing but 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. Here I am taking the half angle. Cos square A by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos A by 2. So cos A value we know already. This is the cos A value. We can substitute this value here. So 1 by 2 I am taking out. So 1 plus. Now cos A is nothing but B square plus C square minus of A square whole divided by 2 BC. Okay, this is what we got here. Now what we can do here is, now I'll just take the LCM of this part. So one by 2 BC plus B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 BC. Okay, now see, B square plus C square plus 2BC is nothing but B plus C whole square. So I can write this as 1 by 2 B plus C whole square minus A square divided by 2BC. Again, we can use one more algebraic identity here, which is nothing but A square plus B square. The x square minus y square means x minus y and x plus y, x minus y into x plus y. So if I'll use that identity here, so what I'll get is 1 by 2. So B plus C minus A divided by 2BC into B plus C plus A. Okay, and B plus C plus A is nothing but from the perimeter. What is perimeter? You can see here. Okay, A plus B plus C is nothing but 2s. So I'll substitute these values here, 2s. So 1 by 2 and b plus c I can write here, b from b plus c I can write here. So I'll write here 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. This will, which is we are going to use here, and here b plus c I can write as is nothing but 2s minus a. So I'm gonna substitute these two values here in this. Okay, so what we have here is 2s minus a and here 2s divided by 2bc. This is 2 cancelled out with this 2, and finally we are left with, basically I'm gonna write this thing here. So don't get confused. So finally what we are getting as 2 common out, s into s minus a whole divided by 2bc, 2 cancelled out. So what we got, this is equal to cos square a by 2. So cos of a by 2 we got nothing but under root of s into s minus a divided by bc. Okay, this is what we got, my first cos of. Similarly we can find cos of b by 2, cos of c by 2. Okay, and if we have cos a by 2, so we can use the identity sine square plus cos square is equal to 1, and easily we can get the value of sine a by 2. Okay, so I'll use this cos a by 2 value to find sine a by 2. Okay, so here this sine a by 2 is nothing but sine minus s minus b s minus c divided by bc under the root. So when we have sine and cos, so as we know tan a by 2 is nothing but sine a by 2 divided by cos of a by 2. Since we know the sine a by 2 and cos a by 2 both the values, we can easily write the, you can see I will write here. Okay, first I will write sine a by 2, which is nothing but under root of s minus b and s minus c divided by, since bc, okay, and cos of a by 2 is nothing but s into s minus a divided by bc. When we are going to take the division of these two, as ratio of sine a by 2 divided by cos a by 2 is nothing but tan a by 2. So my tan a by 2 will come as directly, I will write s minus b, because bc will be cancelled out. So what we got, bc s into s minus a divided by bc gone. So we got so this is my tan a by 2 formula. Okay, so like that we can do this formulation, half angle formulation. Okay, let's see the problem on this.